Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. This video channel is at smarturl.it/pass actuarial exams. Here you have information about online seminars and study manuals for exams PFM, IFM, and LTAM that I offer. I direct the Actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to offer a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help-ISU-actuary. Here's a problem for today for exam FM on financial mathematics. Trevor has assets at time 2 of A and at time 9 of B. He has a liability of $95,000 at time 5. Trevor has achieved Reddington immunization in his portfolio using an annual effective interest rate of 4%. Calculate A over B. So this is a bit confusing the way it's phrased, because what the meaning here, and remember the fundamental rule of actuarial exams, the original intent rule of actuarial exams is that you are supposed to answer the question the examiners intended to ask. So what they intend to say is that his assets produce a payment of A at time 2 and a payment of B at time 9. And his liabilities require a payment of $95,000 at time 5. That's the meaning of the words. So I find the phrasing that they used a bit confusing, but this is what they intended to say. And here's the solution. Let's write V for the annual discount factor for I equal to 4%. So V is equal to 1.04 to the negative 1. Reddington immunization means that both present values and Macaulay durations of assets and liabilities are equal, so that A times V squared plus V times V to the 9th is equal to 95,000 V to the 5th, because we have assets that make payments of A at time 2 and B at time 9, and liabilities that require a payment of 95,000 at time 5. So we equate the present value of assets and liabilities in the first equation. In the second equation, we write Macaulay duration of assets on the left-hand side, the weighted average of 2 and 9, where the weights are proportional to the present value of the asset payment at time 2 multiplied by 2, and then asset payment at time 9 multiplied by 9. These are the two weights. And that's equal to 5, because 5 is known to be the Macaulay duration of the liability. Based on the first equation, we write AV squared over 95,000 V to the 5th as 1 minus B times V to the 9th over 95,000 V to the 5th. And substituting this into the second equation, we get 1 minus B times V to the 9th over 95,000 V to the 5th times 2 plus B times V to the 9th over 95,000 V to the 5th times 9 is equal to 5, so that after we multiply it out, cancel things, we end up saying that 7 times B times V to the 4th over 95,000 is equal to 3, so that B is equal to 3/7 times 95,000 times V to the negative 4. And that's the same as 3 over 7 times 95,000 times 1.04 to the 4th. Also, AV squared over 95,000 V to the 5th, well, that's equal to A over 95,000 times V cubed. And that's equal to 1 minus B times V to the 9th over 95,000 V to the 5th. And that's equal to 1 minus times V to the 4th over 95,000. So that A is equal to 95,000 V cubed minus B times V to the 7th. That's 95,000 over 1.04 cubed minus 3/7 times 95,000 times 1.04 to the 4th over 1.04 to the 7th. And then if we factor out 95,000 over 1.04 cubed, then that's multiplied by 1 minus 3/7. So that becomes 95,000 over 1.04 cubed times 4 over 7. And the ratio of A over B then is equal to 95,000 over 1.04 cubed times 4 over 7 divided by 3 times 95,000 times 1.04 to the 4th. And that's, after we cancel things out, that's equal to 4 over 3 times 1.04 to the 7th. And that's approximately 1.01322,375, which is answer D. Please remember, this is copyrighted material. The problem itself comes from the Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.